Hello, welcome back to another video. So we bought this shoe from Ajio and we got this shoe for a great reduction sale. So our shoe is having good quality. It's very good. Build quality is very good and very smooth. Cushioning is inside it. Overall, we can give 8 out of 10. And I have bought this shoe for my wife. But what I felt is this is not good for long walks because this portion will touch the back. So we are returning this awesome shoe. Else it's awesome for show off or just to stand, or if you're sitting so always in the office or in school or college. Otherwise it is good, but if you walk a lot like a tourist or something, this is not good. So we are returning this pair. Also I have bought one pair from this is also same issue here. So when we are walking, this portion is touching our that angle point. So this one is also having good build quality. It's very lightweight also, but less cushion inside. I mean this portion we're having less cushion. Otherwise it's a great shoe. No issues here. All are pricing at a like a premium pricing for the shoes, but we are returning in a point of view that it's not ideal for walking long distance. So in short, I would say the build quality is best, but it is not suitable for this kind of long walking stuffs. So thanks for watching the videos.